What's up guys, in this video I will show you 4 of the most popular play to earn games out there. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so starting off with our first, this is the Sandbox, and look at how their website looks like. It's kind of how Roblox, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Roblox, but I'm sure if you have like children or niece or siblings that are young, they definitely know how this one looks like. And the good thing about the Sandbox is it's an open world, kind of like how Minecraft is. This is one of the most popular NFT play to earn projects out there. So this is your Sandbox, and as you can see here, they show their events, they show their map. So these are like the lands that you have. So if you click on it, it will show you details of that land. So like this one, see? And if you scroll down to the bottom, guys, you would see their social media platforms. So they have a lot of social media platforms that you could go ahead and follow and check out. That way, when you do your own research, you would know and you'll be updated on announcements, updates, giveaways, all those good stuff. All right. So that is Sandbox. Next would be Axie Infinity. This is one of the most popular and hit play to earn games. So it's an NFT card game, or it's a turn-based NFT card game. It's fun, it's challenging in a way as well. So they have like PvE, or player versus environment, and then they also have PvP, which is the challenging part wherein you get SLP tokens when you win. And then let me show you a quick glimpse on the gameplay itself. So see this one right here. So that is how it's played. So that is Axie Infinity. Go ahead and check them out. Though the SLP prices are low at the moment, hopefully they would be able to come up with a solution to get their SLP prices or SLP token prices on point and get back on track. Next one would be Alien Worlds. This is one of my most favorite play to earn games out there because it's very, very simple. It's a mining game. All right. So you have cards like this, and then you just activate your cards, and then it will like give you a timer. When it's done, you will be able to get tokens that you can exchange and then transfer and exchange that to fiat currency. So this is Alien Worlds. This is on wax, by the way. I love this. Very, very easy to play, but the sustainability of the economy, man, I mean, it has been there for years already, but still, until now, it's still doing good, right? So this is Alien Worlds. All right, so the next one would be Gods Unchained. So this is also a fun play to earn game where you could earn as well as also be challenged with the gameplay itself. It's a card game just like your Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon cards. This is exactly how it's played right there. See? So you cast your cards, very, very nice graphics, very smooth transitions, good effects and all those good stuff. Check them out. I would also strongly suggest that you do your own research. You could get started there, work your way through the ranks, earn cards, and trade with other players to find the perfect deck that best suits your play style. So that is your Gods Unchained, guys. This is one of the most famous play to earn card games out there. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.